In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram with Make.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow by linking these two powerful platforms, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring that you'll have your accounts seamlessly connected in no time. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Make.com. This platform is well known for its automation capabilities, allowing you to connect various apps and design workflows with ease. Once you're at the site, the next step is to sign into your account. You can find the Sign In button on the top right corner of the homepage. It's here that you'll enter your login details to access your personalized dashboard. Once you've logged in, the next place you want to head to is the Make homepage. This is the central hub of your automation activities, where you can view your existing connections, or in our case today, create new ones. Look for the option that takes you to the Make home screen, so we can get started on building our new integration. With your dashboard in front of you, our next task is to create a new scenario. Scenarios in Make.com are essentially the workflows you design that connect different apps. To do this, you should see a button labeled New Scenario. Clicking on this will open up a world of options for you to start creating highly personalized and efficient workflows tailored to your needs. Now, you'll be at the stage where you can begin adding elements to your scenario. You'll want to click the Add button, which allows you to select various applications and services to connect and automate operations between. Make.com boasts an extensive library of apps to choose from. But today, our focus is specifically on linking Instagram. In the search box provided, go ahead and type Instagram. This will bring up the integration options available for Instagram within Make.com. Click on it. Through this connection, we'll set up interactions with Instagram that can automate tasks like posting content, gathering analytics, or whatever suits your business or personal needs. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now connected Instagram with Make.com, opening up new possibilities for automation. You've taken a crucial step towards improving how these platforms work together. With this setup, the possibilities for enhancing your workflow are practically limitless. Whether for personal or professional use, this new connection can save you time and streamline various tasks. Remember, automation is not only about saving time, it's about making better use of the time you have. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to explore the other app integrations that Make.com offers and continue optimizing your processes.